Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for sharing with friends, telling them about our channel. We've decided to give you work, to give you free videos about free internet, FRPs, Google accounts, how to skip Google accounts after like formatting or factory resetting your phone, like also factory resetting phones. So today I want to show you how to skip Google account, just in case you forgot your account, about your account in this phone. This is how you can do it. So let's get into it. So now, first of all, click in or tap in get started like this. Click skip, set up a new, then you make sure you have either Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot somewhere, or else you can use a card, a SIM card. So this time around I'm going to use mobile hotspot on my other phone. After searching for it, is Tecno Common 16S. I'll connect it to it. So let's continue. Allow it to check everything here. Now you see data is flowing up. That means it's connected. Let's continue. It might take some time, some minutes, but you have to be patient. Wait patiently. So like it's still checking information, or it's rather checking for the email that is in this phone. So sometimes you might have forgotten the email in the phone. So here I'm going to show you how to skip that Google account email. So here it's saying enter your email. Let me try here. Just go back. First of all, you have to insert a SIM card. Get a SIM card with at least one contact. Put it in as I'm doing here. Insert a SIM card. Cover it very well. Then go back. Afterwards, click on emergency. Then tap on emergency information. Click on continue. Then tap on contacts. Then add contact. Allow contacts. Give it all permissions like this. Then wait patiently for the contacts to appear here. You can either search, but what I know, you have to wait at least for it to give you contacts here. Add a contact. Give it your permissions. Here you have to choose at least one contact. At choose at least one contact. Like they have appeared, so I'm choosing contact at the top. Wait, it's not appearing. Yes, now it has come. Now tap on that contact. Then there is up in the corner those 3 dots as you see. Tap on share. After tapping on share, long press on MMS, then tap on app info. After tapping on app info, sorry, it's not clear, then you tap on SMS app, then open links. Sorry, no, okay, open links, then slide from the left, you slide to the right. Then what we're going to do here, we want to install a file called FRP VROM. Now use the other phone to download that file. Type in FRP VNLOM. You can download it. It's everywhere almost. Even if you type in that, or you can go to a website like albastars3d.net or Adram. There are so many websites, but this time around I will use just a search engine, as you're seeing. Okay, scroll down. The download is down here. It's going to appear in just a few seconds. Just wait. So the download link is here. Just tap on that download link. While using the other phone, which one you connect? The one you connected towards the Wi-Fi. Click on download from media fire. You download. As you can see, it has appeared. So click on OK. It has started downloading. It's downloading, as you can see, just in 1 minute. We want to install a file that can help you add your email. This file that can help you add your email, any new email that you want. So just wait for it to download. Thereafter, copy this file from, use a memory card to copy this file. Wait, I'm going to show you. It has finished downloading. As you can see, it's here. Therefore, you can open your file manager, go to apps. It's up. As you can see, it's up. Long press on it, copy, then come to memory card and paste. As you can see, it's copying from phone to memory card. Thereafter, you can remove this memory card because we want to use it on the other phone. Remove it from here. Remove it from here. Then come back to the other phone that we want to open. Insert in that memory card. Therefore, again slide, look for the word storage. We want to access the SD card. tap on it. It has opened. Then the file that we've copied is down here. It's down here, as you can see. Tap on it first because we want to install it. For security purposes it won't happen, agree, but go here and tap on install from unknown sources, then tap again and install it. Click next to install. It has finished installing. Click on done. Thereafter slide, click on back, slide again because we want it has already installed. Then tap in, let me see, tap in security, scroll down and look for the device administrators. Tap in find my device, deactivate that administrator. Go back. You can slide again. Look for, we're supposed to look for the apps. Yes, apps. Yeah, tap in that apps. Look for Google Play service, Google Play services. Tap in it. Tap in disable app. Then go back to the apps, then Google Play Store, disable that too. Then click on go back or slide, then look for accounts. Tap in add accounts. Now tap in this blue thing, the Google blue. As you can see, it's now loading. Just a second. Then here you can add any email that you want of your own choice. I will add mine. Then enter password. We are entering password in order to open it. Then click on next. As you can see, it has accepted. Now it's checking to see the information on the email. When you see that error, don't worry about it. So we're going to slide and go back to security. No, first go back to apps. Scroll down, looking for Play Store service. Enable that app. Also Play Store. Enable it back. Now go to security. Go to security. device administrators, enable the admin device administrator. Now here you can restart the device and see whether it has. Now here you go back to the first process of entering whatever. Here it's checking for information. Now as you can see, the other email is already added to the phone. Click on next, tap on next. You can enter any password or pattern, but not right now. Let's press next. But as you can see already, if you reach this point, that means the phone has already opened, because you remember the other time it didn't even reach here. Agree, then next. Boom. As you can see now, we have already accessed the phone. So it's up to you whether you want to change the email, to add the password and pattern, or whatever. So guys, thanks for watching my videos. Keep on subscribing, keep on watching them, share with friends.